Hey everybody, I'm going to quick show you how to write a thesis statement for our assignment here. This is specifically for a thesis statement that is going to be about, for an analytical paper, which means you talking about how a book works, addressing a theme and a message, so an author's theme and a message. So I'm going to quick show you how to do that. So how to write a thesis statement for an analytical essay about theme and message. You need these three parts: the theme or topic you're addressing, right? Your argument, so what you think the message is, and how it shows up in the story, or why it's important to understand the story. And you can answer either one of those depending on the paper you want to write. So let's say that I want to write about the theme of survival in Parable of the Sower. So let's come up with a first. So the theme of let's do this, Octavia Butler in the novel Parable of the Sower is trying to say that. So here's our first part. There's our theme or topic that is being addressed. We can, if I wanted to, highlight that in yellow. So there you go. Just like a theme or topic being addressed. Octavia Butler in the novel Parable is trying to say that survival requires a person to be both compassionate, I can't spell, and adaptable. Let's use that word. Okay, so here we go. Here is our argument. I can highlight and make green, so it matches it there. But we're not quite done yet. We have to do this one more piece, which is easier to split into a second sentence, I think. Different teachers will tell you differently. So it's how does it show up in the story, or why is it important to understand the story? Let's do the second one, though you get to choose. So I can say the main character demonstrates that survival can only be achieved if a person is willing to accept change as a constant. I'll add a little bit more. All of the conflicts in the story stem from her facing change, just as and struggling, just as we would in a situation. Okay, so I kind of ended up splitting that into two sentences, right? But what I'm trying to say is, why is it important to understand the story? What we're trying to get to is message, so I'm trying to tie it to what Octavia Butler is saying about the real world. I don't think Octavia Butler really thought that there was a huge chance of us getting to a world that was as bad as the one in Parable of the Sower, but certainly we do face face difficult circumstances. So Lauren's motto of preparation, preparation, preparation is kind of something that Octavia Butler wanted us to know too. Be ready for change. And I wanted to get that across. All right. Thank you, everybody.